So I want to go just enough to where the cord will reach and if I have to show off the charger to somebody, I can. Currently 11 a.m. just about here, Tracy, California 95304, 3400 Auto Plaza Way. Put the car in park, pull this up right there, set the parking brake. You can actually feel it press a little bit more. And what I also want to do is this. Let's go to home screen. Let's turn this down and let's go to energy. Let's go to charging options, target charge level. Make sure that's up. If you're charging your car and it's not this isn't all the way up, make sure that it is, because you might have range issues. So this is how you plug in your high-speed charger. So I just took a Premiere off. Go ahead and check out that Premiere video. And what we're going to do is we're going to drop that down. I'm going to do this again, the two of them. I'm going to grab this, hook it up right there. Go here and snap it in place. Right there. You hear it click. Wait here, watch this again. You hear that? Walk over to the charger. What's up, your favorite ball guy Dom, everybody? And then you're gonna hit this, hit ready. So this guy says he's waiting here. Check that out. This is gonna start talking to the vehicle. I want you to notice another thing right there. So in just a couple of minutes, you're gonna hear a bunch of clicks and clanks right here. Every charging box is probably gonna look different. You hear it click. See, the power's on now. See that right there? So you can hear the actual charging start. And then check this out. Watch this. I'm not sure it's 3, 2, 1, but 3, 2, 1. That should turn green. Once it turns green, it's gonna start blinking. It's just like that. You hear it beep. And when it's blinking, it's letting you know that it's charging. Once it's done charging, you'll get your alert. Make sure you download your My Chevrolet app. If not, call the person who sold you a vehicle and tell them that they forgot to give you a buying experience so you can get hooked up. If you want to learn more, reach out to me directly, DLeyva, DLEYVA at TracyChevrolet.com, spelled just like that right there. This works for EVs and EUVs. So if you have any questions, please give me a call back. And if it is equipped with the high-speed charging capability on your older EV Bolt, guess what? It should work the exact same way. Look forward to hearing back from you.